A favorite in interviews to test how well you understand WebDriver, navigation behind the scene. Both driver.get, to, are used to open a web page in the browser. But there are subtle differences in behavior and flexibility between the two methods. Let's break it down. 1. Purpose and usage. Driver.get URL is a straightforward method that loads a web page and waits for the page to completely load. It's the most commonly used method when you just want to open a URL. On the other hand, driver.navigate to URL does the same thing, but it comes from the navigate interface, which also supports additional browser navigation actions like back, forward, and refresh. So if you're just loading a page, either will work. But navigate.to is preferred when you're building flows that involve multiple browser actions. 2. Behind the scenes. Driver.get is like telling the browser, go to this URL and wait until it's fully loaded, whereas navigate.to is conceptually like, move the browser to a new page. It behaves more like browser navigation rather than just opening a page. 3. Flexibility. Because navigate is part of the navigation interface, it gives access to powerful commands like navigate back, go back to the previous page. Navigate forward, move forward in browser history. Navigate refresh, refresh the current page. Driver.get does not support these additional commands. Use in page object models or frameworks. In large frameworks, or when using page object models, navigate.to is sometimes preferred for page transitions, while get is often used for initial test setups or landing on a base URL. 5. Performance differences. There is no significant performance difference between the two in most use cases. However, driver.get may sometimes wait a bit longer for the page to load fully compared to navigate.to, depending on the browser and network behavior. 6. Practical example. Driver.get HTTPs, example.com. Simple, clear, and used for direct page load. Driver.navigate.to, HTTP, example.com. More versatile, especially if followed by navigate back or refresh. Q. Summarize. Use driver.get. Use driver.navigate.to when you're combining it with other navigation actions or need more control over browser history. Both are correct, but knowing when and why to use each demonstrates a deeper understanding of Selenium WebDriver.